Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to run the Adobe Premiere Pro smoothly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To run the Adobe Premiere Pro smoothly, your system needs to meet certain hardware and software requirements. Of course, in addition to these, there are several optimization tips that we are going to show you so you can follow to ensure smooth performance. Alright, so number one option is, if you are in the working panel, I want you to click instead of the full to select the playback resolution, you might want to choose the 1/4 for now. That means it would not cause certain playback issues, all right? Because it requires more power if you use the full screen. So you just use the 1/4. And then scroll down to the beginning of your video and press the letter O on your keyboard. And then again on the last part, all right? So what will happen is you will be selecting all the video and photo that is included to this specific clip. And then I want you to go to the sequence and click the render in to out. What will happen is, as you can see, Adobe Premiere Pro is pre-rendering your video for a smoother video playback. All right, it'll avoid any lags that you can encounter here in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you might want to do that especially if you're working with multiple clips. Right now I have like one clip, but if you're working with for a full length, like a 1 hour, that would help to run the Premiere Pro smoothly. Now the next option that we are going to use is to stabilize the video. By that, what we can do is go to the effects section. If you can't find the effects in any part of your window, click the window section and click the effects, which is Shift+7. And from here, type in warp, and we're going to use a warp stabilizer. Drag that to your video here, and then go to the effects control or the editing. Now from here, you just have to go to the warp stabilizer. You see, it's stabilizing the video, right? Have you seen that? You see, 15% of the frame out of this. So it's a big help to stabilize your video and avoid any lag during playtime. So these are going to be some of your options in running the Adobe Premiere Pro smoothly. And again, one of the biggest factor is you might want to make sure that you upgrade to the latest GPU drivers and upgrade your RAM alongside your external hard drive. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.